Apple announced the Apple Watch Series 4, which touts it as thinner than previous models. This is partially true. The next fourth-generation Apple Watch is the thinnest since the 3 series, which had 11.4mm casing compared to the 10.7mm version this year. However, if you compare the Series 4 with the first generation of Apple Watch, you will see that the newest model is 0.2mm thick. The original came to only 10.5mm when it was launched in 2015. The dimensions become even more intriguing when you start to consider the footprint of the newest Apple Watch. The Series 4 comes in 44mm and 40mm versions, compared to the 42mm and 38mm variants we have seen in previous models. The 44mm version also has a face of 977 square millimeters compared to last year's 740mm square inch, the larger model. The smallest Apple Watch of 40mm has a face of 759 square millimeter compared to the 563mm square model of the 38mm model last year. The end result is that the newer Apple Watch, in fact, has a larger screen than last year's model, but in fact it is thinner.